Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, cool mess right here. And basically what this is a Faux fur blanket. And you can see from this brand right here. Let me actually open up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the product looks like. So you definitely see the product is all nicely compressed inside. But let's take it out. Alright, so see that once we take it out, this is basically what the packaging looks like. So you can see right here, they mentioned how it's a stripper blanket. And for the one that we got right here is a 50 by 60 inch. They do have bigger ones available if you guys want bigger ones. But I believe the one that we got right here is the smallest one. And for this product, they actually have it in many different colors. But the one that we got right here is a teal green color. So I'm actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so you see that once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So I'm actually unravel it to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like on this side. If you guys flip it to the other side, this is what it looks like on this side. So you can definitely see that the way how they design it is slightly different from one side versus the other side. One side is like a Sherpa blanket and the other side is like a plaid Sherpa. So when you guys feel both sides, I feel like this side feels a lot nicer because it definitely has like that kind of cooling effect when you guys use this side right here. Compared to this side right here, it's much more warmer. So if you guys are planning to use this when it's kind of hot, you probably won't use this side right here. But when it's much more colder, like the winter season, you guys want to flip it to this side because this side will definitely keep you guys a lot warmer. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys unravel it. You can see it's definitely pretty big. And for this product, you can definitely throw in the machine to wash it. And you can also throw in the machine to dry it as well. So when you guys wash it, you guys want to use warm water. And when you guys use a dry machine, you definitely want to tumble dry and low. And in terms of the material that they use on here, they mention how it's 100% polyester. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys unravel it. So obviously if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to throw in the machine to wash it and dry it first before you guys use it. So that way you guys know the product is clean before you guys use it. So I'm actually going to go wash this first so we can actually try it out and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we have the blanket that we just finished washing and drying. If you can see, this is basically what it actually looks like. So we have this top layer right here, and then if you guys flip it to the other side, this is basically what it actually looks like on this side. If you can see, this is basically how long or how big the actual blanket is. So this one actually goes this far right here, and that's how far it can go on this side right here. Let me actually bring the camera a little bit closer to see what it actually looks like. Alright, so here's a close-up view of what the product looks like. So you can definitely see the fur material on here definitely looks like a high quality fur material and it actually feels really nice. Like I mentioned, for this side right here, it definitely is the cooling side. Whereas when you guys use the other side, that side is not as cooling. That one feels a lot more warmer. Let me flip it to the other side and show you guys what I mean. Alright, so here's basically what the other side looks like. If you guys can see a comparison of the other side versus this side is definitely very different. The material that they use on this side is definitely very different because you can see it doesn't have like as much of those furs sticking out as this side. And when you guys feel it on this side, it definitely feels a lot more warmer. Whereas the other side definitely gives you guys a lot more of like a cooling effect, which is pretty nice. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set it up. Let me actually hop on and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once I hop on and use like the cooling side, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely feels really nice to the point where it doesn't feel like super hot as right now. I'm not sure over time when you guys use it, probably at night time or whatever, it will actually get a lot more warmer or whatever. But so far right now, it definitely feels pretty nice on the actual cooling side where it has more fur. It definitely gives you guys enough coverage to actually use a blanket to cover up your legs. If you guys want to pull it up, it may not cover your legs anymore. But that also depends on how tall you guys are. But this is basically what the blanket looks like on this side. Let me flip it to the other side and show you guys what that side looks like as well and see how it feels. Alright, so when we flip it to the other side, I definitely feel a lot more of that warm feeling. I don't get as much of that cooling effect that you guys get on this side right here, on the top layer right here, you can see. But even when we actually put it on this side as well, it actually feels really nice. It actually feels really comfy, same thing as the other side, where you guys get that like fur material that gives you guys that warm feeling and also comfy feeling as well, to keep you guys warm during nighttime or whatever. But this is basically what it actually looks like on this side, if you can see. Definitely looks pretty nice, actually feels really nice as well. So negative soccer test of the product, definitely see that she does work and it's quite well. Super easy to use the product and super easy to maintain as well. Once you guys roll this in the machine to wash it and dry it as well, they can definitely start using it. So whether you guys use it on your bed, or if you guys want to use it on your sofa, or if you guys want to use it on your couch, or even if you guys want to use it on a chair like this one right here, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. But I definitely love the fact that how they give you guys the reversible option. So one side is much more warmer and the other side is much more cooler. You can definitely use it for different seasons. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now we come unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a high quality fur blanket that has like that Sherpa design on here where it's reversible. So one side more for cooling and one side is actually warmer. If you guys are looking for a blanket that has basically everything that's on here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.